Okay, in this video, I'm going to add a lead magnet into a traffic surf exchange. Now, this particular surf exchange, it is new to the market. It's in beta testing, okay? It's in pre-launch. Um, you can join, but just know that we're making some changes on the inside. We want to make sure that everything is functioning correctly, is working properly. Uh, this particular site, it is free to join. Okay, it's free to join, but we also have upgraded accounts. You have the ability to upgrade if you like. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to add the lead magnet. So we're going to click on my ads, okay? Then we're going to go to manage ads. We're going to click on sites because we're going to add our site. Okay, now the site that we're adding is the lead magnet. Now here are our lead magnets. This is the URL for our lead magnet. We have 3 URLs, okay? This is the first one. This is from Lead Sleep. And then the second one is from Aaron Viral Miller. And then the third one is Elite Traffic Exchange. So these have trackers, okay? So we're going to go with our first URL from Lead Sleep. We're going to put it right here. We're going to put that there. And then we're going to give it a name, Lead Magnet 1. Okay, so we're going to add it. Then, okay, it says it's already been added. Okay, so we've already added that, so we can't do that one. So we said it's a duplicate. So we need to go with our second one right here. So we copy it. This is the one from Aaron Viral Miller. So we put that there, Aaron Viral Miller. And then we say lead magnet 2. Lead magnet 2. So we put that there. Okay, so it's checking to make sure. Okay, everything is good. All right. So we're going to add our third one. I'm going to add this one right here. Okay, we're going to add that, copy it. This is lead magnet 3. Okay, so we're going to say add. Okay, so it's been added. So we're going to check to make sure. Now these are other things that have been added. Okay, here we are. Now this is the first lead magnet that we added, lead magnet number 1. Okay, now we need to, I've already given it 100 credits, so I'm going to give it more credits, okay? So I'm going to give it 5,000 credits, okay? So it took my 5,000 credits. Okay, this is lead magnet 2. It has no credits. So I'm going to give it 5,000 as well. Okay, it has 5,000. Then lead magnet 3, no credits. I'm going to give it 5,000 also. Okay, so now all of our the lead magnet credits has been added, so it is now visible in the traffic surf exchange. So here we are. Let's go in the surf exchange. Okay, so we're going to click on Surfing Center. We're going to click on Surf. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what's going to appear. This is our timer. So we have several things that we could click here. You have, this says food. So we need to click the one that says food. Okay. Okay, we had some technical issues there, so here we are. So this one says food, right? So we want to click the food, and it's going to rotate us to the next ad. So it says click the person. So we click the person, okay? This is what it looks like in the Traffic Surf Exchange. It says click the person, so we click the person, okay? So this is how we add a lead magnet into a Traffic Surf Exchange. Remember, lead magnets are used to grow your contact list, okay? This is what a lead magnet is used for. This is a low-cost method of doing that. Remember, all things work together for our good. Success leaves clues. No 0 days. Do not have a 0 day. Do not let a day pass without you working on your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone that is listening to this and viewing this, that we all live a good long life, 120, 130 years of age in good health. Good health. We thank you. I also look forward to seeing our offsprings, that the name is great in the land. We thank you. And y'all have a great day. Take care now.